Have you ever imagined discovering a hidden world that exists just beyond the edge of what you know? Picture this: you are walking through a dense forest, the sunlight barely reaching the soft moss beneath your feet. Every step feels like stepping into a story, and the air is filled with a strange, sweet fragrance you have never smelled before. Suddenly, you notice a faint glow between the trees, pulsing softly like a heartbeat. Curiosity pulls you closer, and as you push aside the branches, you find a small clearing where the ground sparkles like tiny stars scattered across the earth. In the center, there is a pond that reflects not only the sky above but also the dreams hidden deep in your heart. You kneel by the water and see shapes moving beneath the surface, tiny creatures, shimmering and playful, dancing like liquid light. You reach out, and one of them gently brushes your hand, sending a tingling sensation through your body, as if the forest itself is welcoming you. Time seems to slow down, and every sound, the rustling leaves, distant bird calls, the soft ripple of water, feels like music designed just for you. In this magical place, you realize that adventure is not just about moving forward or conquering challenges, it is about noticing the beauty in the smallest details, the magic in the ordinary, and the endless possibilities that exist if you open your heart and mind. You leave the clearing knowing that this hidden world will always be a part of you, a secret sanctuary where imagination and reality merge, inspiring you to see the wonder in everyday life and reminding you that some mysteries are meant to be discovered, cherished, and never forgotten. If you enjoyed and want more English speaking practice, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new story. Also, comment below which part of the story you loved the most, and try speaking it out loud to practice your English every day.